Do you feel like time just slips through your fingers? You're not alone. Here's a question. If someone asked you exactly how you spent your time last week, could you tell them? Most people can. Look, I've tried all the to-do lists. Apple Notes, Notion, Evernote, Tana, you name it, I think I've tried it. And yes, we need task lists. But there's one thing. Time is our most valuable resource. Just like you check your bank account, shouldn't you know exactly where your time is spending? Hey everybody, if you haven't had a chance to meet me yet, my name is Jason Reed, and today I'm reviewing a tool that's transformed how I manage my time. It's called Sunsama. There's a full transparency. I'm an affiliate, so if you use the link in the description below, I'll earn a small commission, but you get to try it out 1 month for free. And that's right, you try it out 1 month for free, then it's either $16 a month or $20 a month after that. So if you want to check this out and see what it's about, click on the link. So let's get into it. All right, let me show you exactly how Sunsana works. It's not just another to-do list. It's completely time clarity system. Here's what makes a difference. First, you get a clean daily view where you can. Time block your entire day, see where counter integrations, and things like that. You see right here, we have a Tuesday. That's what today is, Wednesday and Thursday. We have what's called the home, the focus, which focuses on each task at a time. We have what's called the daily planning, which I'll go over that in a second. Your daily task list. Again, I'm going back over here. Daily shutdown at the end of the day. See where you spent your time. Boom. And then after that, below that over here is the daily highlights, what you did throughout your day. And I'll go through that in here in just a second. And then the last part here is our weekly planning and our weekly review. Now, for me, this is Tuesday right now. So as I film this, you're just getting a little piece of this. So let me kind of go through, if I was to start my day, this is where the home screen is. What I would do is go to daily planning first is how I start my day. So for me, I would go to this little part right here. There's your task list of what I typically do. And this is my calendar. Obviously, my day's kind of already gone a little bit different, but here's what I would typically do around 4, 5 in the morning. I would do my breath work. Actually, I would do yoga first around typically about 4:45 or 5. I know I'm an early riser. Then after that, I would do my workout, which is not in here. So what I would do is I would add a task. I put a TKD training. Now, what's unique over here is as is today, I have the time and then also have the channel. I have different things over here from cleaning to coaching, and I put in my training department so I can keep track of my training aspects. So I got my trainer right there. Boom. Stick this in here. We'll say this at 6 o'clock in the morning to 6:45. So I have that locked in here. As you can see to the right here, I have my yoga, I have my breath work, my taekwondo training. Every morning, I try to give my wife a massage. It's a little 10 minutes that makes her day better, and it makes my life better too. I believe that relationships are one of the most important things. And for me, 10 minutes a day, approximately 6 days a week, that's about an hour a week, approximately 50 hours a year. That if I just took those 10 minutes, giving love to my wife, how would that change our relationship? Think about those small things that make a real difference. From then, I usually do my daily email, catch up on that first. It's like right now, we're at, I think it's 3:45 days, so I'm actually shooting videos in the middle of this. I'll do my weekly planning here just kind of with you guys, kind of see what I typically do. I usually do that earlier. I have teaching tonight. We actually have testings, our martial arts program. I'll put it here, but I'm not going to go till 11 o'clock at night. And so I'm just kind of giving you a little bit of what this is. Now you can see I can kind of change the times over here, move this around. We actually have a testing starts at 5, and we're actually done at, I think, 7:30 tonight or 8. So I'll put that right there. So that's my day in a nutshell. There's more to it, but I'm just kind of giving you an idea. This goes predicted early. Bump tasks that aren't essential to your work. So a lot of us have a tendency to overdo things. So this helps us with that. It basically gives you an overall look at how things are, and then it says good to go. And so that's your morning task. It shows kind of what you're doing here, and I'm leaving off a bunch of this here. But shows here, and I can up through this through Slack, or looks like there's another Teams thing to do it through Microsoft. And I just put getting started. So now I have my home done here. I've got my day started. My daily planning is done. My daily task list, I go through one at a time. So let's pretend I'm shooting videos like I'm doing for real right now. I click on this here. I hit the play button, and it starts going on. From right there, that's what it is. Now, if I start late and I forgot to do it like I did now, we'll put 20 minutes on there, and we'll put the clock start there. So even if you start late, you can put some of these numbers in here, and this tracks how long you're doing each job. I had to click link when I'm done. It shows my next job over here is yoga, which I actually already did do. So that's kind of a way to set your day up in the very beginning. It shows your daily task list. Now, let's just say it's at the very end of my day, which it's not. This shows kind of what I've been doing with my day, which it didn't show a lot, but it shows training and content stuff here. But let's just say I was to do in here, I was to teach here. And I threw that in there for 5 hours, which is a typical day for me. administrative teaching. Oops, that's administrative stuff. So that's a little slightly different. So I have my TR teaching here. Boom, right there. Lock it in that way. So I have to throw some teaching there, and I throw that in, and I put my time, which is approximately 5 hours in here. Then I can put my day in, and it starts showing how you spent your time right here. That's what it does also throughout the week. It has a daily highlights and with the shutdown here. There's a few more spots here. So again, I didn't do it all the way, but this shows you where you spend your time on social media, school, learning, training, whatever that thing it is that you want to keep track of. You can write that in there and write down the times that you do that. And even if you miss, you can kind of show it from there too. Hit the bottom here, the summarizing button. Then it'll kind of summarize what you did, and then it'll have questions and highlights. These are questions I put out. As you know, on the Master Read YouTube channel, that questions are the focus of what we're working on. You change the questions, you change your focus. And so these are the questions for me each day that matter. What am I grateful for? I'm grateful I have an opportunity to use YouTube. I don't know if I spelled that right, but that's okay. I didn't spell opportunity right. Opportunity to use YouTube to help others. I wasn't around years ago. Who do I love and who loves me? I love my family. I know that's an easy one to do, but I love my life. I love my students. If I know how to spell this right, my students, which matter a lot, and their families. Every single day I give thanks for those. Memories. I have a lot of memories today, but one was I just got a massage from my wife. Because I give her massages, she wants to give me a massage. I don't know if I spell it. Massage from my wife. She gave me a kiss and just took the time to tell me she loved me. It's those small things in life that matter. And we've been together since 1997, married in 2006. And what we found is those small things will matter. So I plug this into my day to give something to her each day. I don't ask for a return. That's those simple, small things. I don't know if I would do with Sunsama. So anyway, this also shows your highlights here, shows I'm shooting videos, other activities I did. And that's kind of the day. Once you're done, you hit publish and it says done for the day. Job is well done. We can go home now. And basically it's done. Now, again, the weekly review, I did not hit all mine on that one there too. But if you want to just take a look at what I've done for my last week here, it shows Saturday, Friday. It shows how much training. I'll kind of go over here, training, how much I massage wife, my cleaning business, yoga, training, teaching. It gives you an idea on how much time you spend on everything. So anyway, kind of wrap this up over here. Let's see what else I'm leaving off on here. I think that's it. That kind of gives you a weekly lowdown on what's going on. All right, that's a look at it. So who is Sunsama for? It's for business owners juggling multiple projects, professionals who need to track time, anyone who wants to make their time intentional, people who value data-driven decisions. Have you ever wondered where did your day go? Then this is for you. Since using Sunsama, I know exactly where my time goes. I make better decisions about commitments. I have data to improve my productivity, and it can help me on focus on what truly matters. Remember I talked to you before about this time with the people I love? See, I think that's the thing that matters. And this is a tool that can help you get there. So click on the link in the description below. You get a free month. Test it for yourself. See if it gives you your time clarity. See if it gives you the time clarity that you've been looking for. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, share it with somebody else who's been saying they don't have enough time. You might be the change in their life. So drop a comment below with your biggest time management challenges. I'd love to help you solve it. Remember, time is one resource we can't give back. Let's start managing it like it's a precious asset that it is. This is Jason Reed. I'll see you in the next video.